Hi, welcome to Studio Burhole, your home and garden design channel of the Bay Area. Today I'm going to talk about the importance of creating a design concept. All architectural and design projects begin with a design concept. How is a design concept generated and how is it further developed? Have you ever wondered how the logo of Apple was designed? It all starts from a concept. So what is a design concept? The entire design process of an architectural project starts with a design concept. Now, before proceeding further, it is important to understand the meaning of the design concept. A design concept is simply the basic idea that provides the basis and structure of the whole design process and relevant decision making. So why is it important? The design concept provides the path for the entire project. The success and credibility of the design concept are directly proportional to the success of a project. The strength, creativity, originality, and impact of the design concept are responsible for the strengths and weaknesses of the whole design process. How does it work? Creating a concept is not an overnight task. It cannot be done instantly and requires a lot of research and planning. The start of the design concept is always by collecting a lot of information. For any architect in the process of creating a design concept, it is highly important to gather information, ask questions, carefully review the information and requirements provided by the client. The next step is to analyze and study different parts of the project, such as the site and the existing conditions, the zoning codes and building codes, the client budget, and any other information relevant to the project. Now, sketch out ideas. This step and the next steps can only be achieved with precision if the architect and designer have completely understood the requirements, constraints, and limitations of the project. The sketching is also a time-taking process and does not happen in one day. From these rough and raw sketches, the designer begins to formulate ideas. These sketches help think about the actual spaces and how they can and will relate to not only each other and the site, but also how they can relate to the end user and public. The sketching should promote creativity of raw and unfiltered ideas. It should motivate the architects, designers, and project managers to brainstorm, generate multiple concepts, iterate, go back and forth, and collaborate to discuss and blend ideas. So take your time. One very important thing is that the process of building a design concept cannot be rushed. One very big mistake that people make quite often is that they do not explore. So how to make it functional yet creative? It is not easy to come up with a design concept specifically for a residential project and interior design that is creative and pleasing. It should be new, original, and different. So never stop sketching. Thank you for watching. I will have more videos like this. Subscribe so you won't miss out. Ciao.